Hello, dear viewers. We are going to discuss about a very long life tree living for thousands of years that is called the Baobab tree. The Baobab tree, often referred to as the tree of life, that is long life, is a remarkable and ionic tree native to Africa, Madagascar, Australia, and parts of Arabian Peninsula. Its scientific name is Adansonia, and there are 9 species of baobab tree, each with unique features but sharing common fascinating traits. Its physical characteristics are known for their massive bulbous trunks that store water, allowing them to survive in every season and environments. The trunks can grow up to 50 feet, that is about 15 meters in diameter, and each heights of up to 100 to 300 meters, that is about 900 feet. So this is the qualities of barbot tree, which we will discuss in detail. Few more qualities. Now we will discuss about the longevity of baobab trees. These trees are incredibly long life, with some specimens estimated to about 2000 years old. Their ability to generate bark and survive in extreme conditions also contributes to their longevity. Leaves and flowers of baobab trees are dry season, apparently as if they are outside down with the roots in sky. They produce large, fragrant, and often white flowers that bloom at night and looks very beautiful, and are pollinated by bats, moths, and other nocturnal creatures. Cultural and methodological significance is also there of these trees. About the African traditions, in many African cultures, Babas are sacred and often central to the local folklore. They are considered a symbol of life, health, and community. Stories tell of the gods planting babos trees upside down, hence their unusual appearance. Spiritual beliefs are there. So we will go to the next slide, but before that you have to study each and every slide. It is my request. Thank you. Viewers, now we'll discuss a few points about the spiritual beliefs of the tribes of Africa. Some tribes believe spirits residing in trees, and it serves as a place for the prayer and meditation. The tree is also considered in link between the living and the ancestors. Practical uses in communities of these trees are the hollow trunks of olden baobab trees are used as storage spaces, homes, even the construction of homes, or even the water reservoirs they are constructing. The bark and leaves are used for making ropes, mats, and medicines. Now we'll discuss about the ecological importance of baobab trees. These are keystone species supporting entire ecosystems. Their flowers, fruits, and leaves provide food for animals, birds, and insects. The tree serves as a habitat for the numerous creatures from bees, birds to monkeys and bats. Their water storing capacity helps to sustain the life during the droughts when there is no water in that area, and they help maintain soil stability. These are some of the spiritual beliefs of the tribes of Africa. Dear viewers, now we'll discuss few more qualities of Baobab. This tree's nutritional and medicinal uses are very important to be discussed. The fruit is rich in vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and antioxidants. It is used to make the juices of different type, different flavors, and different uses, powders and snacks. The leaves of the baobab are eaten as vegetable or dried for making the medicines. Medicinal properties are there of baobab. It is used in traditional medicine to treat ailments, means the diseases like fever, diarrhea, and inflammation. Conservation and threats are there also of baobabs. Despite their resilience, baobabs are facing threats due to climatical changes, deforestation, and human activities. Some ancient baobabs in Africa have mysteriously died in recent years, raising concern about their future. The leaves of the baobabs the young leaves of the baobabs are eaten as vegetables and dried to make the medicines. So these trees are useful in many respects. Dear viewers, we are going to discuss the fifth and final slide of my PowerPoint presentation lecture. I would like to request you to kindly subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to as many as people in your contact, for which I will be thankful to you. The babos in modern times are increasingly recognized globally for their ecological and nutritional values. Efforts are underway to protect them because they are dying. They are to be protected by conservation projects and sustainable harvesting practices. They have become a symbol of resilience and sustainability, inspiring stories, arts, and even global health initiatives. The babos are combination of beauty, utility, mystery, make it vital and reverted elements of natural and cultural landscape in regions where it grows. Its nonic name, Tree of Life, is well earned as sustains the trees and livelihoods of the people who lives around it. So this is all regarding the baobab, and hope you will listen to my videos because I am trying to speak as frequent as possible, but maybe sometime I am not able to do up to your satisfaction. I am thankful to you to go through my slides and listen to my videos. If it is useful and valuable, please write back to me on my email ID ghabidi@gmail.com. I will be thankful to you again if you will subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to as many as people in your contact. Thank you very much. Good night.